Go to your school's portal, then log in via your username and password. You'll be able to see a new tab called as Teach. Then open in a new tab. Then click on Learn Press. Then click on Courses. You'll be able to see the courses previously made by you. Now we are making a new course. So click on Add New. Let's say I'm giving a title as class, if I want to design a course for class 3 science. So class 3 science. Teachers, kindly note that you can make courses for every and each subject, all subjects, and this is just an example. So basically this is where you write the introduction of your course, what all chapters or lessons your course is going to consist of. You can also add a picture to represent it. To upload a picture from your laptop, go to upload files, drag and drop it over here. Then from your media library, you will be able to insert it. Now I'm inserting a picture that I've already uploaded. Like curriculum. Curriculum is basically your chapters. So I'm saying chapter 1, living things. Then in living things, I'm creating a first lesson. Introduction to living things. Living and non-living things. So this is our first lesson. So now I'm going to edit a lesson. So now if I want to add, you can add videos, you can add pictures, you can, if you want to copy paste a material over here, you can do that as well. You can add any and all kind of documents. So right now I'm adding, let's say, a video. You can upload a video if you have on your device by dragging, dropping it over here and then uploading it via your media library. If you want to upload it from an online source, let's say YouTube. So I'm going to YouTube now. So now this is the video I want to upload. So I'll click on share and I'll copy the link. So once you copy the link, paste it over here and you'll be able to see the video. Now I'm inserting that into the page. So once the video is inserted, I want to write a note to my students. So kindly watch the video and learn. So let's say this is our first lesson is done. So I'm setting a duration for over here. Let's say I'm setting it for 20 minutes. And how much time you want the children to spend on that particular course. So once I'm completed with my lesson, I'm clicking on update. Teachers, kindly remember, if you don't update your changes, they won't be saved. So once the update is done, now I've created the first lesson. Let's say I want to create a study material, a chapter called as a lesson called as study material. I'm creating another lesson. In this, I want to upload a PDF document or a Word document or a PPT for the children to refer. And kindly refer to the study material. Now I'm adding a document. If you already have a document from your drive, you can add it via the URL. Now I'm uploading a document from my existing documents. You can drag and drop the upload the document over here. It can be a PPT, an Excel, a PDF, or a Word file. Anything is okay. So now I'm just clicking on one, say science. Okay. So now I'm uploading this. In the teacher side, you'll just be able to see the embedded link, but for the student side, they'll be able to see the document. Now again, I'm setting a duration. Say I'm setting it for 15 minutes. Now I'm clicking on update. So in this way, we have added 2 lessons. In case you have made lessons individually and want to add, you can click on select items and select a particular lesson. Currently, we have not made any individual lessons, but if you want to, you can do it individually and then add to the course as well. So I'm also set a feature image, because that feature image will be visible to the student when they select your course. So they'll know that this is the particular course they want to enroll in. Once all your course is done, you can publish it. Only after you publish it, it will be visible to the student side. So now I'm publishing the course. Okay. So this is the lesson part.